Every great process begins quietly, deep in the fields. Quality starts with timing, precision, and experience.
Only the best move forward to the next stage.
Modern harvesting blends tradition with engineered efficiency.
From soil to system, the journey begins.
Harvested crops now enter the industrial supply chain.
Speed and protection preserve freshness during transit. The raw harvest reaches its processing home. Every load is measured, logger, and approved.
The factory process is ready to begin.
Inside these walls, raw harvest becomes a global product.
Every process begins with controlled entry.
Efficiency depends on seamless material handling.
Raw ingredients now enter the production line. Precision starts with structure and flow. Cleaning is the first step toward consistency. Every surface is prepared for inspection.
Human judgment reinforces machine accuracy.
Uniform size ensures even processing. The foundation is set for transformation. Clean surfaces ensure pure flavor. Balance begins with controlled removal.
Now, the real transformation approaches.
Heat reshapes texture and unlocks flavor. Flavor is applied with exact balance.
Stability prepares the product for precision. Technology safeguards uniform quality. Only approved chips move forward. Automation maintains perfect flow. Safety is verified at every step.
Human oversight completes the system. Precision refines the final taste. Order ensures consistent presentation. Perfection is visually confirmed. Accuracy prepares each serving. The product reaches its final form.
Quality is constantly verified, not assumed.
Testing begins beyond the production floor.
Standards are measured, not guessed.
Balance defines shelf life and taste.
Only verified products move forward.
Prepared for storage and delivery. Every bag in order. Automation maximizes efficiency and safety.
Inventory is managed with precision before dispatch.
Distribution begins, connecting factory to consumer.
And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.